DJ Delz.
Funko Pop addicts, it's your boy DJ Delz back with a brand new unboxing. We got an exciting one right here. I'm a huge fan of Bruce Lee to the point where I actually have Nike IDs that I designed that were inspired by Bruce Lee, some LeBrons. I think I did like 6 or 7 of them. Watch that video. I'll put a pop-up somewhere on the screen if you're into sneakers. Or, you know, hang out for this video and then go over there. I want you to watch this one. So when this is done, I'll probably throw a pop-up at the end of the video. But if you didn't see yesterday's video, I did do a vlog where I hunted and found a bunch of awesome stuff like this 10-inch Mickey and also a chase. I did find a chase in the wild. Let's take him out of here so we have some room. And let's unbox this, and we'll talk a little while I'm unboxing this. So this I got from Bait Me. This is a Bait Me exclusive. They've been releasing a lot of the Bruce Lee Funko Pops. And one thing I feel is really ridiculous about Bait Me is that they're charging $30 for a Funko Pop. Just a standard Funko Pop, 30 bucks. I mean, that is just ridiculous, in my opinion. It's kind of like taking advantage of the market, being that, you know, there's some hype behind it. And it is what it is, man. They're not forcing us to buy it. Right? They're not saying you have to buy this or else, you know. So it is what it is. They packed it nicely, which I like. For $30, they should have put it in one of them cases, right? I don't know. Some of you guys may not think that's a big deal, but you're charging triple what it costs for a Funko Pop, and that just is whack. That's whack to me, you know? I spent like 10 bucks for Biggie. I spent $13 because this is an exclusive. I don't mind spending $13, $15, but when you're talking 30, it's just taking advantage of the market, man. But as I said, they don't force us to buy them, and I'm happy to have it regardless. And it looks awesome in the box. Let's turn it around real quick so you can see all the different ones. And I'd love to have all of them. I love this one too, man. This one's sick. But I'm not spending over retail. I refuse to. And let's take Bruce Lee out of the box. Hit that thumbs up button for that out of the box look. Let's roll. And there he is out of the box. Looks amazing. Really awesome Funko Pop. Just give it a little turn so you can see. 360. I need to get one of them rotating thing with jiggies, you know? That you just put on there and it'll just rotate automatically. I'm going old school. Gotta love Bruce Lee, man. Legendary. Amazing work. Just love his movies still to this day. Really, really happy to have this Funko Pop, I must say. And I love these Funkos where it looks like they're like jumping out at you. Like this Venom Pop, really awesome how it's like he's jumping out at you. I did an out of the box review. Definitely watch that review on it. And check out all my videos. I have a lot of Funko Pop videos here. So if you're new here, make sure to subscribe. And if you're just hanging out, watch more of these videos after that. I recently reviewed the Chucky on cart. I reviewed just so many Pops. We do a video almost every single day. So make sure to check out the archives if you're new to this channel right here. And everyone, if you love Funko Pop, right now in the comment box, I love Funko Pop. Show that love. Alright? And there you go, with a close-up HD look at Bruce Lee. Let me know what you think of him. Do you think he's worth it or not as far as $30? I personally am happy to have it. And I think they're sold out everywhere, so good luck if you're trying to hunt it down. There's tons of new Funko Pop available now. We'll link them in the description box below. Guaranteed mint condition, like the Biggie Smalls, all the Fortnite Funko Pops. I am personally looking for the Audrey 2 Chase. If anyone can help me out with that, I'm looking for the Audrey 2 Chase. I'm looking for the Metallic Skeletor. I am also looking for the Toys R Us for the Giraffe Iron Man and the Metallic Thanos. I don't know if I said that. If not, that's how badly I want it. I said it twice. That's it for today's video. Make sure to check out my Patreon, patreon.com/DJ Delz. Become a member. I do an hour podcast with Q&A, and we do a monthly giveaway. So definitely check that out. If you're new here, of course, subscribe and leave a comment. Please, leave a comment, right? I love Funko. Just write something so I know that you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching once again. We out.
Yo, shout out to my man DJ Delz. You know what it is. My name is Peter Rosenberg. It's Peter Rosenberg out.
I'm an addict for sneakers.
What's good? It's your boy DJ Delz back with a brand new episode. Wanted to just show you some of my Bruce Lee shoes that I own, basically all of them. And as you can see, you're not seeing double. There definitely are doubles of these. And to me, man, these are amazing shoes, man. I love this colorway. I love the concept. Big fan of Bruce Lee right there. And I just want to do a quick video right here. The 9s, they hold up pretty well, but I just love this shoe so much. I needed to have a backup with the 9. Definitely had to have a backup. It was just a must that I have a backup with the 9s. The 10s, I really loved how the 10s came out, and a lot of my friends always ask, do you not like the 10s? Why didn't you double up on the 10s? And the reason why I didn't double up is they're so durable, and I've worn these so many times and they still look practically new. The 10, oh my God, look what my daughter did. It's man funny, you see that? There's Disney stickers inside. Unbelievable. But getting back to it, if anyone's got kids, you already know what time it is with the kids, man. Gotta love them. But this shoe I've worn so much. If you follow my Instagram, my Twitter, even, you know, at the Delz show, you've seen me on a lot of episodes just wearing my shoes. If you haven't subscribed to the Delz show, make sure to do so. It's a bonus channel where you get more material that won't be at the Sneaker Addict channel. But this shoe is just so durable, I just felt like I didn't need to drop that extra money on them. And then with the 11s are so sick to me. I love the model. Yeah, LeBron didn't win a ring in them, but regardless, I just love the model. I think they look sweet on feet, and I love how these look. They really are different than the others. My favorite LeBron is still the 9. I've been saying that for a couple of years now. The 9 is still my favorite LeBron. But I want to do a quick episode, show, you know, the production of Nike ID, like, you know, getting more than one. They're pretty on point as far as the actual production of the shoe.
Yeah, whatever, you know what it is. DJ Delz, you heard it from me. Ghost SB, LOX, D Block 1.
DJ Delz. What's good? It's your boy DJ Delz back with a brand new episode here at the Delz show. We are in Yonkers, New York, about to check out Juices for Life right here. So let's go inside and check them out. The menu.
Like it's a lot.
Yeah.
You got the fruit protein. Most of these want fruits.
Okay, I'll do that. A kiss of life. We're gonna try this bark shot right now. Salute. I will, man. Bark shot tastes good though. Definitely tastes good. Doesn't taste nasty. For anyone that's curious. What does this do now? Cleans out your kidneys, gives you energy. Okay. Well, I just took one, so I'm about to turn up, right? And we're gonna try the Kiss of Life. That's Jada Kiss's signature drink, right? Do I got on my feet today? Let me see what you're doing now. Talk to me.
Right here.
All right.
Right here.
What are we making?
On the menu, Armageddon is one of our signature shakes.
Armageddon?
Got the most ingredients.
Okay.
Top of the food chain. This is the best shake in the world. Armageddon.
Armageddon.
You got allergic to any cashew?
Nah.
Alright. You gonna love it.
Yeah? Shout out to Styles P, Jada Kiss,
And the chef.
Chick.
And
And what's your name?
And the chef, Marvin Dawn.
Bong. There we go.
The Dawn.
The Dawn.
Right, man. Marvin Dawn. Chef of the century, man.
Woo!
Come here, come see me. Juices for life, Armageddon. It's like a meal replacement. You know? Drink got so much protein, man. You know, wanna skip meals. You know? See that?
And this store is all about just putting people on to a healthier way of life, right?
It's all about juicing up, staying healthy.
This is the Kiss
This
of
is the way
Life.
of life, man. This is
Try
what
it.
we do here.
All right, so we're gonna try the Kiss of Life right here. We're trying now.
Say the word.
Banging.
This one right here, my brother, is
What's
the
this?
Armageddon.
Armageddon. I love the name.
The secret to keeping the ladies happy, you know.
Oh, God.
Happy wife, happy life.
Yeah, that's right. Salute to that. Let's try it. Oh, that's good. That's a treat right there. Both of them are.
Don't get no better than that.
Right?
Gotta come on down. Right here is Thanksgiving dinner in the cup, man.
Oh, man. So we had Juices for Life in Yonkers, New York. Man, people here are real nice too. Look at it, man. I feel like I'm at home, man. First time walking in here, I feel like I'm at home. And they at Castle Hill. They've been at Castle Hill for a while. But now they right in the hood. I had to come through. Good old Yonkers, New York.
Thank you for stopping by for Juices of Life. You know what I mean? Give a shout out to my man Delz. You know, for stopping through and showing love. Yonkers. Never hearing that. You know what I mean?
Make sure you come check them out, man. They doing it big out here. And I'm gonna be back soon. There's Yonkers' famous Rough Riders studio right up there. Used to go there all the time when I was younger.
Mommy, I want to go in here.
What, Rough Riders studio?
Uh-huh.
Want to record some music over there?
Yeah.
Maybe in a few years. Up over there, we'll make some hit records.
Rick Ross, DJ Delz. Let's go, nigga.
DJ Delz, you know I love you, love you, love you.
Hate is just man that we winning his plans. Raw status, y'all just follow commands. Young, rich, and just don't give a damn. No new friends, all about the Benjis and fam. Original like Adidas, top 10s be the meanest. Wavy since a fetus, big ego, I'm conceited. I don't give a fuck about you or your weak crew. Talking all that rah-rah till you see us come through. Then you're quiet, not a sound or an action. Trolling online, but a personal reaction. I don't care what you say, I'm doing me. Bigger threat, DJ Delz, free Max B.
I don't care what you want, care what you need.